On the occasion of International Women's Day, we celebrate the achievements, resilience and contribution of women who continue to shape a stronger and more inclusive India. Across sectors from science and entrepreneurship to governance, defense and sports, Indian women are excelling and making the nation proud. Here's a report.
The theme of International Women's Day this year, Rights, Justice, Action for all women and girls, highlights the importance of ensuring equal opportunities, dignity and empowerment for every woman. In India, several initiatives of the Government of India are strengthening this vision of women-led development. Programs such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao are promoting the value of the girl child and encouraging education for girls across the country. Schemes like Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana have improved the lives of millions of women by providing access to clean cooking fuel and a healthy environment at home. Financial empowerment is also expanded through Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, enabling women entrepreneurs to access credit and build successful enterprises. At the grassroots level, women-led self-help groups under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihoods Mission are transforming rural livelihoods and strengthening community leadership. Today, women are making their mark in sectors ranging from technology and defense to sports and public administration, reflecting a confident and progressive India. As the nation celebrates International Women's Day, the message resonates strongly. Empowering women and girls is essential for building a just, equal and prosperous future for all. Kriti Vadhera's report for DD India.
India's Ministry of Women and Child Development is organizing a women-led walk titled Shakti Walk #SheLeadsBharat on Sunday along the Kartavya Path in New Delhi as part of the celebrations of the International Women's Day. International Women's Day celebrates the achievements, leadership and contribution of women across all spheres of life and reaffirms the collective commitment towards gender equality, safety, dignity and empowerment. In this spirit, the Shakti Walk is being organized to highlight the central role of women in shaping a progressive and inclusive Bharat. The Shakti Walk aims to celebrate women leadership and contributions across sectors, reinforcing the government's commitment to women's safety, security and empowerment, and showcasing flagship schemes and initiatives benefiting women, fostering solidarity and also collective pride among women from diverse backgrounds, and promoting the message that women-led development remains central to national progress.